Hello, dears. Good evening and welcome to the sunny and hot, terribly hot right now, Benidorm in Costa Blanca and Spain. It's evening time, it's after 9 p.m., and we are here to have a lovely walking tour by the Levante Beach promenade and the Mediterranean Sea and recap with you everything you should know in case you are coming to Benidorm on holidays shortly. And probably it will be also useful for you guys for any other holidays here in Spain. First of all, don't worry about bringing a lot of luggage, about bringing a cardigan, about bringing something for chilly, cool weather because Spain is hot right now. We have around 36 degrees. It's the hottest time of the year, and even in the evening, it is slightly more chilly, but for us, it's 30 degrees still. So don't worry, you don't need any kind of cardigans, nothing like that. In case if you will get chilly, you can always buy them at the Chinese shops and bazaars nearby for just a couple of euros and then take them back with you or leave them behind. Towels for the beach. If you don't want, obviously, to waste the space in your luggage and bring towels with you, you do not need to bring towels from your hotel, or you don't need to pre-book them from the hotel. Leave a deposit if you don't want to do so. You can always go to the same Chinese bazaars and small shops where for 2 or 3 euros you can get a towel to use it at the beach, by the swimming pool, and when the time comes, just throw it away or just leave it for someone at the reception or for people to take them with them and leave them behind here in Spain before your departure. Second very important thing is you need to bring some sunscreen with you. I know a lot of people want to get tanned. That's why they're coming to Spain and to enjoy the beach. However, you will still get tanned even if you use this sunscreen. It's very aggressive right now, especially if you go on midday to our loveliest, longest Benidorm beach line, including the Levante Beach, the Poniente Beach, and La Cala Mal Pass. And use sunscreen protection, please. 30 or 50 plus are the best options right now. Drink a lot of water. Use a sun hat, sunglasses. Protect yourself, please. Also be very careful when you go swimming. There's a lot of different excursions. There is a rent a boat place here on the Levante Beach. There is jet ski, there is cable skiing, there is parasailing, there are a paddle surf and a lot more of water activities. And not only that, obviously since it's so hot, people spend a lot of time on the beach. So be careful because each single week we receive alerts from Benidorm Beach that someone drowned in the sea. So be very careful. It's not a joke. I absolutely get that people who are coming here on holidays don't see it as us locals. They don't want to think about anything at all. They want to switch all the issues off, all the thinking, and just immerse themselves into the holiday vibe. People are waving at us. Hi. People are so friendly, so happy. See, people are on holidays. That's what people do. People are on holidays enjoying themselves. However, to be able to enjoy your holidays fully without any kind of issues, there are some things that you need to know beforehand so that when you come here, you would be fully ready, you would know what to do, and your holidays will be as positive as possible. In case you get your things stolen somewhere here on the beach or in Benidorm town, first of all, try and walk around the area where you think it got stolen, because a lot of the times they are just wishing to have some money or the phone. Everything else that was in your bag or any other belongings will be probably thrown away to the rubbish bin, to the garbage bin, and it will probably be there, like all your cards, all your driver's license, ID document, and more. Everything will be left behind. So make sure you check the corners, surrounding area. Oh, poor doggy. Oh, he's got some wheels to help him out. I hope the doggy is fine, the little sausage. So, usually check, please, the surrounding areas because that might be the best thing. Do that first. And then go and find some police officers. There are some police stations around. In Rincon Deloitte, right next to the Flash Hotel, there is one police station. And then there are a few others, but you can usually see police cars or motorcycles around Benidorm streets. So just go and look for them and let them know what has happened. Maybe you've seen who stole it, just give them all the details. And if someone finds your belongings later on, they will be able to give it back to you or just send it to you to your home country by post in case that would be necessary. So that this wouldn't happen, can you do anything? Yes, you can. Don't bring some valuable belongings, please, with you. Don't bring expensive watches, expensive earrings, rings, necklaces, too much money with you in cash, things like that, expensive bags. Don't do that because you want to be stress free during your holidays. So avoid dragging so much attention to you by very, very expensive things that you have, or use them with a lot of precaution. Apart from that, what you need to know is that there is a lot of people who are very friendly, who do speak English, and that could help you out, especially if you're traveling on your own. Don't worry. A lot of people were writing me comments and in Instagram that they're traveling to Benidorm for the first time ever. They've seen all of these lovely bars that you can see right now as well. They've seen all the streets, places that they can visit. They've seen the atmosphere and so much things that you can potentially do here in Benidorm. But they're still afraid on if they will feel lonely or not. First of all, let me tell you that our region and the South Spain in general, people here are really, really friendly as per se. So even in hotels, everyone just speak English. They will help you out at the reception, at the bar, everywhere you need. If you need some help with finding some spaces, booking a taxi, don't be shy. Ask the hotel's reception to help you out. That's what they are for. And obviously, if you're asking nicely, if you're being polite, they will always help you as much as they can. Trust me. If you don't know where to go, you can ask for people on the street. Not a lot of people, if they're locals, do speak very good English, but you will be able to understand probably with them. Go to the bar and ask them. Go to the supermarket. Don't be afraid to ask, because like this, you will be able to find all the spots that you need if you don't use the mobile phone app for maps or finding any different places. This area is very, very used for tourism, so obviously we all know how to help people out when they ask for something. The loveliest promenade is looking quite safe right now. These days, I've not spotted potato men around here. Probably they've just moved somewhere to other area. The potato men are those who make a typical potato scam where you need to search for like a ball. It's hidden inside of the potato. They move it around and you need to choose where it's hidden. However, not only with that, people lose money, which tends to be like 50 euros or 20. It's like bigger amounts of money. And they are right here next to the bars, next to the cafeterias on the main promenade, right next to the Levante Beach. They tend to be, and in Rincon Deloitte, because these are the most international tourism areas and they know it, trust me. All Spanish tourists, they know already what this scam is all about, so they're not going for it. But international tourists, some of them are still curious, especially younger generations, kind of an easy money type of thing draws their attention really, really a lot. So I've not seen them in a while. The police has been patrolling here. So right now, I think they're gone to different areas. And the good thing is that some of the mojito and cocktail sellers on the beach, I think there's already two bands, two organizations that have been catched here in the area, and they have to pay a big fine for what they were doing. So I'm glad this happened. I get that they need money, but it's the safety of all the people who are at the beach, because you never know what these drinks actually will have inside. It's way better to buy some cocktails if you wish so in any of these lovely places that you have for your selection, for your choice, all around the Levante Beach and in some other areas of Benidorm. You can have it as a takeaway as well and enjoy it calmly, knowing that this is a quality drink and knowing exactly what it actually has. Another important thing to know is that both Levante Beach, where we are right now, and the Poniente Beach have accessible beach areas. This is in case if you have a mobility scooter, in case if you're going with a wheelchair, you have mobility issues. So these areas are perfect for you because they provide you a comfortable access for the chair, for the wheels, up until the beach area, and then there are always people who will help you out, who can even bring you up until the water if, for example, you or someone you know are using a wheelchair. So it's way easier. Also, it's great if you're coming with small children or small grandchildren who are using like children's boogie. You can also access it like this way easier towards the Levante and Poniente Beach. And the access is open throughout the whole entire day. So there's a lot still that we can let you know about Benidorm town. But I do hope that some of these tips in general have been useful for you guys. You know how Benidorm is, what to expect, where to access the beach if you need some special mobility requirements, and where not to buy your drinks, or what to do if some of your things have been stolen, sadly, here in Benidorm. Take care and enjoy your holidays in Spain.